Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming OBS is up to date and your OS sound settings are correct. This prevents driver conflicts. Next, open OBS settings right arrow audio and choose a desktop audio device, default, or the exact output you use. Once done, add or select an audio source and open Mixer right arrow gear icon, right arrow advanced audio properties to ensure the desktop audio is not muted and is routed to the correct tracks. This sets the foundation for recording desktop audio successfully. Now fine-tune recording parameters so OBS actually captures what's playing. In Settings right arrow output, choose Recording, then enable the same audio track numbers you routed in Advanced Audio Properties. Make the sample rate match your OS 44, 1 or 48K HZ to avoid drift. On Windows, open Sound Control Panel, right arrow Playback Device right arrow Properties, and disable Exclusive Mode if apps take exclusive control. On Mac OS, verify Aggregate Device or Loopback Setup. These steps prevent mismatched rates and device grab issues that stop audio from being recorded. Finish by recording a short test clip and immediately verify the recording's desktop audio. If you hear nothing, inspect OBS mixer levels and ensure the desktop audio source is assigned to the same recording track you enabled earlier. Next, confirm system volume and app-specific volume aren't muted. If programs still bypass OBS, set up a virtual audio cable or loopback device and select it as your desktop audio in OBS. This forces app sound through OBS and resolves stubborn capture cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.